Funding for the special health series Attacking Allergies comes from the Dr. Donald Goodman and Ruth Weber Goodman Philanthropic Fund of the Cleveland Foundation, the Mount Sinai Healthcare Foundation, the Margaret Clark Morgan Foundation, the McGregor Foundation, St. Luke's Foundation, the Sisters of Charity Foundation of Cleveland, the Woodruff Foundation, and the Kaiser Foundation Health Plan of Ohio.
Everything itches, I have a headache, my nose never stops running, it's like a leaky faucet.
An estimated 1 in 5 Americans suffers from allergies. Pollen, pets, and mold mean misery for millions, while peanuts, penicillin, or bees can kill.
If you're one of the unlucky few who are allergic to bee stings, it can kill you.
From runny noses to dangerous wheezing, discover how common allergens cause the body's defense system to misfire. See what sufferers contend with and learn about the latest treatments and strategies. Next on Attacking Allergies.
Ready, set, go! My baby! Are we running? My allergies get so bad, I just want to rip my eyeballs out and pull my ears off and rip my tongue out because everything itches like crazy.
29-year-old Kelly Harrison suffers from seasonal allergies, but that doesn't stop her from loving her job as a track coach working outside.
75, 76, 77. I like being with the kids. The kids are fun to be around, so it's totally worth it. Okay, what are our time goals for tomorrow?
5.
5 flat?
Seasonal allergies that cause watery, itchy eyes and runny noses stem from different outdoor sources at different times of the year. In spring, it's usually pollen from trees. In summer, grass pollen is the common culprit. And in fall, it's pollen from ragweed.
Ragweed is a plant you see frequently all over the place in the Midwest and the East Coast. It is a green plant. You can see it driving down the highways. It has a yellow flower type of budding thing on top of it. In addition to outdoor allergies, you can have reactions to items that are indoors. The most common indoor allergens we find are actually dust mites, and for patients that have pets, pets are actually a very frequent source of allergic disease also.
This is like eye-scratching madness right here. And nose-blowing madness right here. Allergies and asthma run in my family, and all of us just live our lives and we don't let the allergies run our lives.
I am Dominic Vasco. I'm allergic to peanuts.
This table is the peanut-free table.
Food is another main cause of allergies. For 8-year-old Dominic, peanuts spell trouble. When he was 18 months old, he had his first severe allergic reaction. It came from a peanut butter cookie.
He started to get a little whiny, and then within a half hour, his face was all red. He had hives, his eyes were swollen, and then in about 45 minutes later, that's when he started coughing and wheezing.
All right, let's listen to your lungs and your heart, see if they're working good. Peanut allergy is a condition in a child or even an adult at times where they overreact to the ingestion of peanut in different forms.
Peanut allergy is one of the most common food allergies that we see in children, and it's one of the leading causes of life-threatening food allergies that we see in children.
You get it on the spoon and then I'll put some on it.
30,000 Americans have extreme reactions to food allergies each year, and about 150 die annually. Deaths from bee stings are even more rare. Most people get medical help in time and are saved. Ed Wilson almost died from a severe allergic reaction. One picture-perfect summer day, while mowing the lawn, he ran over an in-ground yellow jacket's nest.
This is the actual nest that they came out of as I passed by, they came out from behind and stung me in the leg and in the wrists. I had 4 of them that stayed on me.
With stinging insects, when you have an allergy to a bee sting, yellow jacket, whatever it might be, the worst case scenario is anaphylactic shock. What this means is your airways are closing down, your blood pressure drops, your heart cannot keep up with what it needs to do, and this kills people. If you don't get appropriate therapy immediately, then the patient will die.
I was afraid I was going to lose my husband.
Wilson's wife reacted quickly and dialed 911. With help from a neighbor, they kept Wilson breathing until the ambulance arrived.
My neighbor and my wife. If it wasn't for them, I wouldn't be sitting here right now.